Hey guys, I have a quick tip for you today on tightening the differential fill plugs. Now I saw a comment about this earlier. They're pretty easy to break off. So let me show you. Alright, once you've filled your differential, you're going to put your plug back in, and you have to be careful because this is all aluminum stuff here. The differential here's aluminum, and the plugs here are aluminum. They are hollow plugs, and that is also a reason why you need to be careful tightening these down. So grab your 17mm extension, doesn't matter how long it is, and you have your ratchet. Alright, so once you've gone ahead and changed your oil out here, or you've checked it, so your plug here has a hollow part in the middle, and it's just aluminum, and you don't want to over tighten these, otherwise it can snap right off here at the base of the threads, right here in the cap. I had this happen to me when I first got into ATVing. My first ATV I got, went and filled the differential fluid back up, stuck this back in, tightened it down, and pop. Cap popped right apart. Alright, so just stick your cap back on, snug it up with your fingers, and then you're just gonna give it a light snug torque right here. Don't want to overdo this because the torque specifications on this is just a few pounds, I think. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to leave a like and comment down below what you want to see me do next, and I'll see you in the next video.